Importance of flooring in interior design. Dear friends, one of the most significant elements of interior designing is flooring. The importance is such that it can make or break your space with ease. It has a major impact on the overall interior design and adds to its effectiveness. If the flooring is impractical or wrong, the overall design may not function to its potential. The foundation of your design depends on how well you execute the flooring. Let's look at the 5 aspects of flooring that are important. Scale. The room size and the flooring size should be proportional to maintain a solid balance. The size of the pattern has a significant impact on the room size, as it can make the room look smaller or bigger. Making use of smaller patterns can help the room look larger. Form and pattern. Patterns in flooring refer to the decorative art that is present on the surface of the flooring, whereas form refers to the flooring material's shapes like rectangles, squares, etc. They are very closely associated with the flooring materials as they signify their style. Texture. Generally, the flooring materials have several concerns, and the texture plays such a critical role due to the impact it has on the room's ambience. To bring a formal effect to a room, the flooring material can be delicate and glazed, whereas a rough and uneven texture can give a natural appearance. You also need to understand that texture affects safety, as slippery surfaces can be dangerous while roughened surfaces help to prevent slipping on wet surfaces. The right design. Flooring has a major impact on the appearance and feeling of a room, either as a neutral setting or as the dominant feature. Comfort becomes a key factor here, as flooring has a direct impact on it. Interior design is a composition of attractive elements that display a beautiful living space. Principles. One of the most powerful elements in design is color. The effect of colors has a major impact on our moods and can trigger our feelings. Generally, lighter colors help in augmenting the size of the space, whereas darker colors make the room look smaller. A floor design is a composition of patterns, scale work, colors, and texture. They form to become one element that dominates the space. Flooring styles. The flooring styles in interior design are generally divided into 2 components: the formal and informal styles. Informal style. They represent neutral form, asymmetrical patterns and curves. Formal style. They represent symmetrical patterns, straight lines, geometrical figures, and angles. Conclusion. Flooring is generally considered to be one of the last resorts in interior design due to its surface. People think more about the walls and other elements that need artistry. But if you carefully look at all the amazing designs, you will find that the flooring is done with perfection. This is because of the large surface that significantly impacts its visual perspective and conditions. Therefore, flooring is a major factor in interior design. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.